Hello my friends, my name is Justin aka MillRev. I'm going to be showing you how to easily export your After Effects footage to MP4 so you can use it in Premiere Pro or for any other purpose. Make sure you stick around to the end so you don't miss any of these steps, otherwise your footage might not come out quite right. Here I have some footage. I use the roto brush to remove the background. Make sure you check out your footage before you export it. Make sure it's good enough and you make all the adjustments because you don't want to have to go back and export again. So once you have it the way you like it, head up to File. You're going to head down to Export, which is about halfway down. Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. If you don't have Media Encoder, make sure you download it, especially if you're using all the Adobe software in the Creative Cloud. You need this to export anything. It's really useful. You're going to have to wait a minute for it to pop up depending on how fast your computer can get it loaded up. Once it pops up, you're going to see a few different things: the output file, the preset, and also over here is the important thing, the format. This is naturally going to be set for AAC audio. This confused me for a while. Make sure you change it to H.264, which is MP4. Make sure you have that set and hit this play button right there. Easy as pie. Now it's going to take a little while to get this all sorted out. After it gets all exported, I'll show you guys what's next. If you don't know where it is, you can always check right here, the output file name. It's always a good idea just because it might have been changed, so just click on it and you can see what it's called even. Mine is called UCAT, no back. If you're not sure where you put your file, make sure to check out the output file name or you might have a hard time finding it. All you have to do is click on it and you can see the pathway. Mine's going to my desktop, and as you can see, it's called UCATs. If I click on it, here you can see my video, and I also accidentally made this too long. I should have adjusted it before I outputted, but if you did that, little bonus, all you have to do is hit this trim button and it'll bring this up here, and then you can just easily trim it down without using even Premiere or any video software. Just get it about where you want it and then click Save As and save it. It'll only take a few seconds and then you have your MP4 file ready to go. I notice most of the tutorials on YouTube are way too complicated for really simple stuff. If you like this short, easy format, then give it a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.